Now, if you love pasta carbonara from Rome, then you're gonna like this dish from Napoli. First things first. Now, I know I may have opened up the doors of debate and controversy by comparing a Roman pasta dish with a Napolitano one, but that's what the comment section is for, so go nuts. You know, it's hard to find and confirm an origin of a recipe, especially with Italian cuisine. But just know, whatever the origin and whoever made it first, the dish is delicious. Now we're gonna start with 2 garlic cloves that you're going to smash with the side of your knife to slightly crack the clove open. Next up is fresh parsley that you're going to finely chop. Now this step is optional, but it adds a little bit of freshness to counterbalance the richness of the sauce. And I know when I started to chop this up that my daughter was going to shy away from eating this dish because there's green stuff on it. You know, you take it day by day because I can serve this dish to her the next day and that green stuff wouldn't be a problem. Now for the eggs, I'm going with 2 whole eggs and then 2 egg yolks. But like a lot of other carbonara recipes, you can go all yolk if you like. And then you're just gonna season with salt and lots of freshly ground pepper and give a mix. Next up is the cheese. You can go all Pecorino Romano like traditional carbonara calls for, but I like a 50-50 blend of Pecorino and Parmigiano Reggiano. Finally grate 200 grams or a little bit over into the eggs and then mix to combine, creating a paste. Now it's time to start cooking. In a pan on low to medium heat, add a generous amount of lard, which is pork fat. This is what is used traditionally in this recipe, but a mixture of butter and extra virgin olive oil is a great substitution. And then you're gonna add the garlic and let it just infuse into the lard. While that goes, let's make the pasta. Salt a large pot of boiling water and add your pasta, preferably a short pasta. For this recipe, I'm using tubetti, and then cook just before al dente as we will finish cooking it in the sauce. Remove the garlic once it starts to brown, and then grab a ladle of pasta water and add it to the egg and cheese mixture just to temper the eggs a bit and to help give us a creamy and luxurious sauce. Mix quickly though, and fast, so that the egg doesn't start to scramble. Now you're gonna add your pasta to the pan along with a ladle of pasta water, and now it's time for la mantecatura, mixing and tossing, marrying the pasta to the sauce. Once the lard has mixed in with the pasta, we're gonna turn off the heat and just wait a couple minutes and then add the egg mixture, mixing and tossing. Make sure to work fast here so that the egg doesn't scramble on you. Keep mixing and tossing until the sauce is creamy and luxurious. If it's too thick, add a bit more pasta water, and if it's too thin, add more cheese. Once done, add the parsley if using, mix and toss, and then plate it up, garnish with more parsley if you like, freshly ground pepper, and more cheese of course, and bring it to the table. This is delicious, I love it. Now, like I said, if you don't have lard, butter and olive oil, a mixture of the two will be a great substitute. I hope you give this recipe a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, ciao.